Kristofer Buckle is known in Hollywood for creating flawless looks. So, do you think I can achieve the flawless look with Kristofer Buckle? Hey everybody, today I have filmed a tutorial on this look here. It's kind of like it's a nude glam in honor of the Hollywood feel. And I'm going to be featuring not only a tutorial but a review on 3 Kristofer Buckle products. Wish I had a third hand so I could show you the third product. But we're going to talk about these products and then I'm going to show you guys how I use them. One of the really interesting things about Kristofer Buckle's products is that he believes in the system of cream plus powder equals staying powders. Now this is kind of common sense. You know, if you're putting on a base or you're putting on a primer or a cream and you put a powder on top of it, kind of like baking, you're going to have a longer wear. So his products are all about that longevity and that all-day wear, especially, I mean, think about Hollywood under those hot lights, you're going to need a longer wear, and us everyday girls want that look as well. So here I have the Forever Duo Blush. By the way, I love the packaging. It's kind of like a diamond or a gem. And you have the cream product here, and then you have a powder product here, and they're in the same shade range. So when you take your cream product and you layer your powder on top of it, it's going to last longer. Now during my application I did not apply the cream just because this is such a dark shade on me, but I feel like for medium or darker skin tones this would be the perfect duo, as you can see here. So here I am, I'm swatching up the cream. It's very smooth, very easy to work with, and here's the blush. As you can see, it's a bit of a dark shade and I feel like that would be a little bit too dark on me, so I went with just the powder. So as you see, you can control how deep you want it, you control if you want it to last longer. So for example, if you're doing your blush like in the draping method where you're using your blush in the area where your contour would typically be, that's the perfect time to use the cream. This product was super smooth and super soft. I loved how easy it was to blend out, build up, and it just felt really nice on my cheek. I'm wearing it here on both sides, and I'm wearing it here, and like I said, I feel like if I would have put the cream underneath it, it would have been a little bit too strong, a little bit too deep for me. But overall, I feel like the powder itself is just gorgeous. But I like that you have the option. Another good idea is that if you like a more monochromatic look, put the cream product on your lip or put the cream blush on your eye and then use the blush powder on your cheeks and you can get a very monochromatic look for spring. So I love that you can do a lot with the Forever Blush Duo. Now the second product that I want to show you guys really quick before I start the tutorial is the Kristofer Buckle right here. This is the Light Enhancing Duo. So you're going to get a cream highlight and a cream highlight and a powder highlight. I am wearing both today, and as you can see I'm getting that super glow, and this, because you're putting the cream and you're putting the powder on top of the cream, you're going to really minimize that look of pores. So if you have the problem where you put the powder on and then all of a sudden the powder showing every pore, just letting everybody in the room know that, you know, your pores aren't exactly as tight as they should be, don't worry, this product is going to help minimize that. Because what happens is when highlight is put over skin that has larger pores, it kind of seeps in, but when you put a cream over it, kind of smooths things out, kind of primes it. So you have that with this. Now here I'm going to swatch up really quickly. This is so smooth and so creamy, and the powder highlight is absolutely gorgeous. So again, I'm just going to quickly, the highlight cream is kind of sheer, and then when you put that highlight powder over it, it really gets amplified quite gorgeously. Like I said, you're going to see it live today on the cheek. You're going to see how I layered it up. But overall, this product is really going to benefit those that want a long wearing highlight. Even if you want a sheer highlight, you can just use the cream and you're going to get that dewy soft look. Again, versatility. You can use this on the eyes, you can use this on the cheeks, you can use this nose, cupid's bow, lips. These products are very versatile, very easy to use, very easy to layer, do not feel heavy, like the list goes on and on. Now the last product I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful little compact, and this is Light Matte Warming Powder. This is one of those shades that's going to really look nice on pretty much most skin tones. There's a little bit of a jewel design in the actual pan. When you swatch it up, it is quite light. Like, I don't even think you guys can see it here on my finger, but then when you apply it to the cheeks, you still get that nice contour. So it's a little bit deceiving in the pan. It looks a little light in the pan, but then when you apply it, you're like, oh, this is actually going to warm up my face. Now this has a nice nice matte finish, so it's going to allow you to really contour and accentuate. And again, just like the other two products I showed you, go ahead and use this on your eye. Use it on the crease, use it on the outer V. You can really add dimension. In fact, all three of these products right here, you can get a full face look using them. You can do your eyes, cheeks, lips, just the whole face with these three products. It's great if you're traveling, or if you just want to have, like I said, a monochromatic look, a natural look, or even if you want to amplify it, you can do that with these three shades. Now, if you guys would like to see in a future video these used on the eye, or these used as part of a full face look, let me know. I'd be happy to film it for you guys. So guys, let's start the tutorial.
So I'm starting this look by using the Kristofer Buckle Light Enhancing Duo Highlight. Now this highlighter is both a cream and a powder highlight, and cream plus powder equals staying power, as Kristofer Buckle would say. And it really helps the highlight to last all day, to really pop on the cheek, and it's going to minimize the look of pores. That cream highlight, when you place it down, it's going to work as like a base and as a primer, as an illuminator. These two together are really going to just make the cheek look, and it's not just limited to the cheek. Use it on the tip of the nose, use it on the cupid's bow, use it everywhere. Now I even like to apply it under the brow as well, because I feel like if you want to glow everywhere, go totally glam, put some on the forehead. I really like to glow. Now when it comes to blush, I typically don't use a cream blush, and this was a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but this palette is the Kristofer Buckle Twinset Blush Duo. Now I'm only using the powder, and as you can see, it's quite pigmented. For my contour, I'm going to be using the Kristofer Buckle Exposure Matte Warming Powder, and this powder really just helped to bronze my face a little bit, warm it up, chisel my cheeks, and make me look about 10 pounds lighter. I love the included brush. It was perfect for getting the sides of the nose and doing the contour on the cheek. And that's how I get my flawless Hollywood glam look using Kristofer Buckle.
So guys, I hope you found that easy to follow. By the way, if you would like to pick up any of the Kristofer Buckle products, they are available on QVC. You can pick them up. I'm going to be leaving a link in the info section below so you can check it out. I did receive these products complimentary through the SocialX platform. However, all opinions are 100% my own. So guys, do you appreciate a more versatile product? Do you like a product that has long staying power? If you do, let me know in the info section below. I would love to know if you guys have ever tried this brand, or if you are going to try this brand, which products are you going to try from Kristofer Buckle. By the way guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like and subscribe. And also, if you're not already, please head over to my Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Give me a follow there. I'm always posting food, fashion, swatches, reviews, mini little videos of these in case you don't have 10 minutes to sit down and watch one of my YouTube videos. You can go there, and under all of my makeup of the day looks, I feature my makeup recipe, which includes all the ingredients, all the products I use to create that look. So you can head over there, check it out, follow me. I make finding my content pretty easy, like I said, if you don't have time to watch a 10-minute video. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.